Hello and welcome to the online ticketing demonstration. The purpose of this video is to show the customer experience as they go through our online assigned seating ticketing system. So the first thing you'll see here, you'll see the cart which is empty on the right side here. I've already logged in using the demo account, which is Ticket User and Access. I've set up two events which are listed here, 12 Angry Men and Swan Lake, and right down here we have previous orders. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the event that I want to see, and you have the event description and an image. These are optional but useful, and you have the ticket prices and the associated sections that go with them, and then down below you have the actual dates. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the date that I want, which I want to pick the Saturday performance. So I'm going to click Select Seats. And then you see there's a diagram of the venue. And there's a key at the top which shows what seats. It shows that these seats in this color, which is teal, are available. Red are unavailable, which means they've been purchased by somebody else. Yellow is on hold for you, and blue is purchased by you. So as you can see, I've already purchased 3 tickets. So what I want to do is I want to make a second order for another batch of tickets. So I'm going to pick the rest of these seats. And as you can see, as I click them, they turn yellow, which means that they're currently on hold for me. So that means that they can't be bought by anybody else while I'm in this transaction. So once I'm done, you can see up top here there's a button that says I'm done. So it's very simple. Click the button, and then what happens now is this button here appears. Once you have something in your cart, which, let me scroll up so you can see that, your cart gets loaded with the tickets that you've selected. So either from up here or down below, you can click on the checkout button, and then here's the checkout screen. Very simple. You pick the ticket type. In this case, there's only one choice. You can actually have multiple choices if you want to, say, for example, offer seniors or children price tickets. And then you have delivery options. You can either have an email or electronic delivery, have the tickets printed and held at the box office, or regular mail. These are all configurable, so you can put fees associated with each if you like. I have $0 for this. You can also put an additional service fee per order and charge tax as well if you like. So now we come to the payment section. You can use any gateway such as the Authorize.net or PayPal Pro or PayFlow Pro or PayJunction, but for our purposes we're just going to use standard PayPal checkout. Okay, so we load up the PayPal screen, so it's a very simple process. If you've used PayPal before, you're familiar with this. Okay, so I click Pay Now. Okay. And this brings us back to our screen here, back to our site. We'll go back to the ticketing system, and you can see here now I have the 2 orders. I had the one that was there before, and then I have the most recent one. So now if you click on Download Tickets, you'll see there is a PDF which has the tickets that the customer can then print up. Just using this right here, and you can see there's an image that goes with the on the ticket that you select, and there's also what's called a QR code, which you can use a mobile device to scan to authenticate the validity of a given ticket. All right, so we're going to close that. And also, we've also received an email at our email address with the ticket information, as well as oops, as well as an attachment here with the tickets here. So it's the same thing that you saw before. So that is it. I've actually taken a lot longer than it would normally take for a customer to go through that process, but as you can see, it's very simple, very intuitive, and very user-friendly. Just the ability to select the seats based on the visual is very useful to the customer, as opposed to saying best available or that type of thing. All right, thanks. I hope this has been helpful.